I already did a video on actually this, but this is another set that came, and I thought actually these colors were much nicer. And I decided, because it actually came with the ball that I wanted, which was the black one for the white M575, I would actually do a video on it. So these are replacement balls of what I know of right now for the Logitech M570, the Logitech M575, and the Logitech MX ERGO Plus wireless trackball mouse. That's what these are replacements for. And I said I would do a video only if it came like jet black, and guess what? It came jet black, one of the balls. So I'm going to replace the original M575 ball, which is like a, what would you call this color? A sparkly blue?
Yeah, it's like a grayish blue or silver blue.
Yeah, something like that. So we're going to put that to the side. I'm not throwing that away. But I'm putting my black one. Look at how jet black that is. Beautiful. That is nice. Look, it stands out. It makes it's black and white. It's unique, it's original, it's different, and I like it. And I've already done a video on this. They work well, no issues whatsoever with using these balls. And this is mostly a look at. It works just great. And if you're looking to accent or make your M575 stand out, these are different colors that you can use. I like the black, to the black and white, so it could fit my desktop look. This is the original that came with the M575. This is one of the additional balls. Not interested in that color, but it's okay for some people. Then we have this green one, pretty cool. And then there's a yellow one if you're into yellow, like a mustard yellow. Looks like your pillow.
Yes, gold.
And they're all nice, and you know, some days I feel like different colors, so it's nice that you can swap these out. I'm glad they made extra ones. And again, I'm making this video because I said if it came jet black, one of the balls, I would definitely do a video on it. So that was a look at the replacement balls for the Logitech trackball mice, which are the M570, the M575, and the MX ERGO Plus wireless trackball mouse. So, you know what, let me give you a look at my desk. Now my desktop looks uniform, even with the black chair. That's pretty cool. Black computer, the black and white mouse, the black accent here, the black speaker, the black and white headphones from Corsair, and the keyboard, black with white lettering. So it really stands out on my desk. I am very happy. It looks really nice. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Trackball replacement elegant ball Logitech M570 M575 MX ERGO Plus black silver green yellow. Perixx Parapro 303X4B trackball. 1.34-inch replacement ball for PERIMICE and M574 in one multicolor black, silver, green, and yellow trackball, elegant storage box. Multicolor B, 18,055, November 25, 2020. Cost, $34.99. Purchased on Amazon's website. Color Multicolor B. Brand Perixx. Item weight 3.5 ounces. About this item. 4-pack trackball set. High quality multi-pack trackball set in black, silver, green, and yellow for your trackball mouse. Switch up to different color trackball to accent your desk setup. The perfect gift for trackball enthusiasts. Replacement trackball, designed for any trackball mice using 1.34, 34mm trackball size, such as from Perixx, PERIMICE 517/717/520/720, Logitech, MX ERGO, M570 cordless, Kensington Trackman wheel, not include Trackman marble, Elecom, MX Tedric EX6, MDT2 ERG, XG/Def Sanwa, MAWTB43BK. Smooth surface. The surface is treated with a special coating to provide a precise and smooth tracking performance. How to remove the trackball. The trackball from PERIMICE 517/717 can be easily removed from the bottom hole of the mouse using the tip of your finger. Inside the box, one trackball from each color, 1x black, 1x silver, 1x green, and 1x yellow. Product description. Color Multicolor B. Perixx Parapro 303x4B Limited Edition Trackball Set, 4 colors. Replacement trackball for your trackball mouse with a 1.34-inch diameter. The set comes with 4 off Perixx new trackball colors. Made of high-quality material designed for major mouse brands in the market. Specification. Diameter 1.34-inch, 34 millimeters. Weight 0.22 pounds, 0.1 kilograms. Inside the box. 1x black, 1x silver, 1x green, 1x yellow. Product information. Color Multicolor B. Technical details. Collapse all. Other technical details. Brand Perixx. Item model number 18055. Item weight 3.5 ounces. Product dimensions 1.34 by 1.34 by 1.34 inches. Item dimensions LXWXH 1.34 by 1.34 by 1.34 inches. Color Multicolor B. Manufacturer Perixx Computer GmbH. ASIN B08JZ97N31. This item Perixx Parapro 303x4B trackball, 1.34-inch replacement ball for PERIMICE and M574 in 1 multicolor black, silver, green, and yellow trackball, elegant storage box, Multicolor B, 18055.